In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to learn how to find the area and perimeter of 2D shapes. So the first shapes we'll look at are squares and rectangles. So finding the area. We have our square first of all. We identify that one side is our width and the other side is our length. Okay, that makes this our width as well, and this side our length also. So to find the area, we multiply the length by the width. So this goes for squares and rectangles. So let's take a rectangle. Again, we're going to identify that one side is the width, the other side is the length. So we know that our perimeter is the sum of the lengths of the sides. So that means we add our width across the top, plus the length down the side to the right, plus the width along the bottom, plus the length along the side to the left. So if we add up these four sides, we get our perimeter. So let's understand why this is. Okay, we're going to take this rectangle, and it's divided into squares. The length and width of the squares are 1 centimeter. Okay, so if we take the area first of all, if we went all the way along the top, then we would find that we have 4 centimeters here. Down the side we have 6 centimeters, and the same for the other side and at the bottom. So if we take our formula, our area is equal to length multiplied by width. So this is going to be 4 centimeters multiplied by 6 centimeters. So our answer will be 24 centimeters. So check, count the number of boxes and see how many we have. So we should have 24 altogether. So pause the video, count the boxes and check that we have 24. So let's talk about our units for a second. We have centimeters for length. So we know that if we multiply 2 by 2, we get 2 squared. So really we're multiplying centimeters by centimeters for the area. So that's why our units for area must be centimeters squared. We know that we can be given different units for the measure of length. So examples, we can be given centimeters, meters, kilometers. We need to consider the units for the measure of area, which we just previously talked about. So we remember x by x is equal x squared. So therefore, if we have 4 centimeters by 5 centimeters for our area, our answer is going to be centimeters squared. So it's very important when we're doing any questions relating to area or perimeter or length that we always remember to include our units in our answer. Okay, let's go through some problem solving steps. So the first thing we need to do is identify the shape. Second thing, we write down the formula that we need to use. Step 3, we write down the other given information. And step 4, we answer the question asked. So identify the shape, find the formula we need, write down any other given information, and then we answer the question. So let's use an example. We need to find the area of a square if the length of one of the sides is 5 centimeters. So, step 1, we have identify our shape. It's a square. Step 2, write down the formula. The formula has to do with area and length. Okay, so we're going to write down our area is equal to length multiplied by width. Step 3. Write down any other given information. Well, we know that our length is equal to 5 centimeters. And if it's a square, that means it's also equal to the width. And step 4. Answer the question asked. We want to find the area. So area equals length by width, which is equal to 25. And we always remember our units, so it's centimeters squared. So it might seem like a lot of steps for this basic kind of question, but when the questions get more complicated, it's a really good idea to always have these 4 steps to follow. For more information, visit www.PositiveMaths.ie. You can email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie and find us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for watching.